guys, we are going to take inside of Gordmans in Topeka, Kansas. Up there's Gordmans. Let's see what is a thing. Wow, this is going to be all the number percent off. You get the space. I think it's a little bit empty. Oh, right. Here's some clothings. My goodness, that looks weird. My gosh. And this was ridiculous. And let's see of this.
What do you mean?
Okay. Let's look at the clothing. Let me see. This jeans. How much it costs? It says $10.98. Oh man, that's too expensive. Oh man, this store is almost going to be closing. Oh my gosh, this is sad. And here are some mini clothings of the kids. Alright, and that's it.